Yeah, what's the error is here? Car model as ID here you have to write the name or you have to specify the name over here. That's the problem. Now let's read back the application, refresh it. Now it's coming here. This model is displayed. Same thing you have to do the at the member as well. So write the, all the things, just copy and paste it for one member. You have to write member name Raja at gmail.com. Password active role admin. Join date. You have to write this one. You have to write the user. Make it as this one user. Register. Now let's take it. Car section. Remember the member also you have to write members member table. Why what's the problem? Member also loading car. Car controller. Members. Name. Raja. Okay. Some model. Type. Year. All things are there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the record into this. Before that you have to write a file. Photo uploading step. You have to do the photo uploading step. You have to go to the respective website. You go over here. So you have to upload the image. First you have to do the validation part and everything. You have to do this store function. Just copy this. So you go to the photo uploading in Laravel. Here we have a Laravel 9 here. Photo uploading. You have to copy this. We need a photo uploading stuff also as well. Let's back to our project. Go to the control section. Paste them. So you have to write the all things you have. What is the things you have required? All things you have to write it here. Just the things car model. All things just copy it. Just over here. So write title. Required description required. Model required. Member ID required. Tool type required. Village year required. Village required. Price. Photo we are not putting the required. Okay. Without a protector also we have to upload the thing. So we need a photo. Images, JPG, PNG. This is the format we needed. Adjustment everything. Okay. The photo everything is there. The validate part. So you can see here the this first you have to fields also all the checking the validate the fields. All the fields we are checking whether the fields are validated or not. We have checked whether the fields are validated and everything. We have check it. Request as file this photo. Check the photo. Requesting the photo. Check the photo. After that it will be uploading the photo inside the public folder. Here is the public folder. The public folder. Here you have to create the images folder. Public folder. Inside the public folder, we have to create the images folder. We have to create the images. Okay, the public folder, you get the images. You put the location. Okay, this photo. Okay, right. So here when you upload the photo, uh, it will be uploading under the public folder. Public, inside the public there is a images folder. It is uploading. Let's file save all. Bring back to the application and check it. And here write all car. Car title BMW 10 Toyota model. You click this one. 7. Some description. Model. Member Raja. Full type petrol. Year 2007. Village. Just do something else. Price. And some prices. Photo, just choose car. You have to select this photo. Click register button. Now let's done the things. Now let's check it whether it's working fine or not. The public folder, what's the problem? The car, let's check it. It is added successfully or not. But it's not at the car data. What's the problem? Okay, let's check it. Thing is the store method. The problem is I think this one. I haven't put the form request. It's a form request. I haven't put the form request here. The car form. Where's the car form? This is a car form. It's a car. To go to the car index page. This one. Here we have to write the form. Car store action method. As a car here this one. Car store action method. Okay. Let's go to car store action method. So here is go to here. The name you have to give here. Name you have to give here. As car store. Okay. After that you have to put the this one. Okay. So here we are the car index. We have select all the fields. Name attributes. Yes, full type also not name attribute. You put the full type name attribute, otherwise it won't work. The all you can click the name attribute, all the name attributes there. The values are passing to the controller with this name attribute to the controller. Okay, here. Okay, so you can type DD and check it whether it's successfully coming or not the request. Okay, you can check it like this. You copy this and paste it. You can check it whether the request is coming or not. All the requests are coming successfully. Put this keyword. Now let's check it all whether it's coming or not. You have test all. So I just put it this one. So try this petrol, year, village, price, choose the photo, submit this photo, just put it, register. Here the requests are coming, parameters 9. All things are coming perfectly. Okay, it's coming perfectly well. No problem, it is coming perfectly well. Okay, it's working perfectly well. Now let's check it whether it's working fine or not. You have to get remove this one. Here when you get the photo, it will be uploaded here. This is a public folder. Store and here this folder public storage. Here it will be uploading the photos. Okay, here this one public folder. Okay, now what you are going to do is let's save all. bring back to the application and check it. Let's car title 2007 BMW new, description something like that. Pool type select this one, petrol, year 2007, mileage, price you have to give some prices, car image you have to select this one, click register. Register successfully. Now let's back to the database and check it. Here it's insert successfully. Here it's insert all the things, some member, pool type, year, all things are successfully pasted. Here this one should be our images. Okay, it's working perfectly well. I hope you guys you understood things well. I'll see you in my next lecture in tech.